welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing to you another, well, I was gonna say what I ate today, but it's not exactly what I ate today. It's my favorite as of now, what I like to eat during my Weight Watcher journey again. I am now, as you guys should know, there are 3 different teams now for Weight Watchers. I'm actually green team, and that is, the green team is how I lost weight the first time around, and then once it went to freestyle, I couldn't lose weight anymore, and I just quit it all. And now that I have the option to go back to what it used to be, I am now back on that, and that's the green team, and it's so much easier. I feel more grounded, and I feel more grounded, but I also feel more like I can eat what I want, if that makes sense. It's so much easier for me. Everybody has their own, way that they lose weight. But hold on, I just keep looking at this and I want to eat it. This is actually one of my favorites to make, Weight Watchers. This is from the Skinny Dish Star, who used to be Daily Dose Pepper. This is her macaroni corn pasta thing. I'll have a link down below. I'm so sorry, Star, for mentioning it. It's so wrong. I was like, blah, 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 it's the blah, blah. Okay, Cristeen, stop talking. But this is really, really good. It's got corn, tomatoes, bacon, and just tomatoes, just other little things in there, and it's delicious as a side dish or just to have alone. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat this whole bowl, even though I probably can if I was dared to. I mean, I wish someone was here to dare me to do it, because then I'd be like, oh, well, I got to now. But it is so good, so good. And even though it's cold and it's winter coming, I think this is still a really good side dish. So yeah, this would have to be one of them. Here's a little close-up if you guys could see that. Look at how delicious that looks. Oh my gosh, so good. Family loves it, I love it, and that's all that matters. And I believe it's 6 points per serving. A cup is the serving. So yeah, that's one dish. But I wanted to hop on here to let you guys know that I'm green team, and I have been losing weight. So far, I'm down 5 pounds, and it's all because of these dishes I'm gonna be showing you. Some are just store-bought, some that I found from other Weight Watcher girls, and I'm going to share them with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more of just my favorite dishes that help me lose weight, let me know. Or if you want to see what I ate today, let me know too. But I'll be back with more videos for you guys, and have a good day. Now let's show the food. Remember when I couldn't film around you? Try to make this Italian omelet with tomato mozzarella breakfast. So let's see. I usually am not that great with the omelet, so it might just end up being a scramble, but hey, it doesn't hurt to try. And it is 5 points, so in case you guys are wondering, 5 green points.